Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the DELLA Econo Series 23,000 BTU mini split air conditioner. I looked through the product details and specifications across the internet, and I'll break down what you're getting and whether I think this mini split is worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Starting with the biggest feature, this DELLA system delivers 23,000 BTU of cooling and heating power with a 17 SEER2 efficiency rating. It operates on 208 to 230 volts and uses DC Inverter technology, which can adjust compressor output according to demand rather than constantly running at full power. DELLA claims this can provide up to 30% power savings compared with less efficient systems. Coverage is another major advantage. This unit is designed for spaces up to 1,500 square feet, although actual performance will depend on insulation, climate, ceiling height, windows, and the layout of your space. So don't assume 1,500 square feet is guaranteed in every situation. Proper sizing is important with any mini split. What makes this system especially useful is that it works year-round. The built-in heat pump can provide heating in temperatures down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 15 degrees Celsius. You also get cooling, heating, automatic dry, fan, sleep, eco, and turbo modes. The dry mode can help reduce humidity, while turbo mode is useful when you want to reach your target temperature faster. I also like the 4D airflow system. It can direct air both vertically and horizontally, helping distribute conditioned air around the room rather than concentrating it in one direction. There's also an I Feel feature where the system uses the temperature detected near the remote control to adjust operation. That can be particularly useful if you're sitting farther away from the indoor unit. Smart connectivity is another big selling point. This model supports Wi-Fi and Alexa, allowing you to control the system remotely and integrate it into your smart home. You can also use the 24-hour timer, sleep mode, and energy-saving mode to make everyday operation more convenient. Noise is another area where the Econo series looks appealing. DELLA lists noise levels as low as 37 decibels, which should make it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, and offices where you don't want a loud indoor unit constantly running. The package also includes a 16.4-foot installation kit with standard 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch copper piping. The system comes pre-charged, and according to the specifications, no refrigerant adjustment is needed when the tubing is under 25 feet. However, this is an important point. Professional installation is required. This is not a DIY mini split, so you'll need to factor installation and electrical work into your total cost. There are also safety and certification advantages. The system is EEL listed and AHRI certified, which are useful things to see when evaluating an HVAC product. The maximum fuse size is listed as 25 amps, so make sure your electrical setup is appropriate before purchasing. So should you buy it? After looking through the features, I think the DELLA Econo series is a strong option if you need substantial cooling and heating for a larger space. The 23,000 BTU capacity, inverter technology, heat pump, Wi-Fi, Alexa compatibility for airflow, and relatively quiet operation give it a very complete feature set. My main advice is to make sure the system is correctly sized for your actual space and get a professional installation quote before buying. If you need a powerful ductless system for up to around 1,500 square feet and want smart controls without stepping up to a much more expensive premium system, this DELLA model is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.